We often say that Casa Italiana, our casa, our home, is made of people. The students, scholars, artists, friends, and neighbors who bring it to life every single day. But the truth is, a home is also made of bricks and mortar. And now that part of our casa needs some love and care.
On April 19th, 2026, we celebrated the 100th birthday of Baroness Mariuccia Zerilli-Marimò. She was the visionary woman who made Casa possible, a place where Italian culture comes alive and is shared. For more than 35 years, Casa has welcomed thousands of people for conferences, concerts, film screenings, theatrical performances, more than 120 events every year.
This fall Casa will temporarily close for an important renovation project. The main focus will be our auditorium, the room where so much of Casa Italiana's public life happens. But the renovation will also touch other essential parts of the building, the entrance hall, and other places that shape how people experience Casa. Our goal is to prepare Casa for its next chapter and make sure our spaces are ready for the future of our programming.
Now, as we prepare to renovate our spaces and start a new chapter, we invite you to be part of this moment. With a gift of $2,000, you can dedicate one of our seats to yourself or to the memory of someone you love. A symbolic gesture that will remain here for every event, every evening, every gathering. Your name will become part of the life of the Casa and of its lively community.
But there's also another way to contribute. Gifts in any amount can be made through NYU's giving portal to directly support the broader renovation effort. So there are two ways to participate, both of which are tax-deductible. Dedicate an auditorium seat or donate any amount to support our larger fundraising goal. Both help us care for this place and prepare it for the people who will gather here in the years to come.